Good morning, students. Hope you are doing fine. I know that many of you are very uncertain about whether this UGC-NET examination will happen in the month of August or September, or it will be combined with June or December examination. So we do not know what is going to happen in the future. They may conduct the examination after 1 month, after 2 months, after 3 months, or they can also combine it with the December examination. If you are not feeling like doing anything, because I am receiving around 5 to 10 phone calls every single day. I am getting around a lot of messages every single day that, sir, we are not feeling well, we are not able to concentrate on our studies, we are not able to continue our studies, we cannot restart right now because we don't know yet what to study, when is the examination. Especially those students who were about to crack this examination but now the exam is cancelled. What they can do is they can start making their CV look good. For example, there are students who are preparing for this examination for last 1 year or for last 2 years. So we can say that in the last 1 or 2 years they had not done anything except completing their PG. So what I can suggest you is that you can start your bachelor's of education B.Ed degree program. Okay, do not give gap in your years. Time will pass anyhow. All right, so keep on doing something. Start your B.Ed degree, or if you are not comfortable doing B.Ed degree, you can start doing your PhD. Okay, you can take the admission in government college. If government is not working, you can take your admission in the private college. All these degrees are valid. If you do it from private universities also, if you do your PhD, take enrollment. Yes, of course, you have to pay the price. Admission fees are high, you have to pay that. But then education is the most best way to do investment. You get 1000, 5000, 10,000% return on your investment in a long term. So that's why education is important. I still spare 10 to 20% of my income in gaining the education from online, from offline resources. So do not think like if you put some money on your education, it will get waste. Okay, so if you are not feeling like doing anything, what you can do is you can start building your resume. You can start with NPTEL courses. Swayam website, you are going to find the courses from NAPTEL. You can start gaining the certificates. That is also going to improve your resume. You can start looking for the jobs, contractual jobs, okay, teaching jobs. Do not think about money right now. I started with 18,000 11 years back. Okay, so it is not like the things change in just 1 year. Okay, things take time. It is a small curve. It will gradually increase. It will go to the peak, it will go down, it will go up, it will go down. So that's how the career is made. You start something. Okay, you can start publishing papers. Okay, we have a separate channel, Literary Legacies Telegram channel, that we are providing free of cost to the students. Every single day this channel is updated, so make sure that you take small steps. Even if you are not feeling doing anything, just watch movies. Okay, Jane Eyre, Tale of Two Cities, we have questions from that. Importance of being honest. Just passively watch the movies, relax on your bed and simply enjoy watching the movies. It's one step, even a small step, is going to contribute in the longer run. And for those students who has not yet checked the answer key, you can simply visit limitlessliterature.com. Here you just go to subject wise questions and you are going to find the question paper that we have updated June 2024 to UGC-NET English Literature question paper that was cancelled. So look at this question paper. We have also marked the category wise cutoff. So if you are not getting 182 questions right from unreserved category, then it means that you have to study literature in the best possible way. 182 for net, JRF is 208, OBC 160. So all these are the questions we have mentioned along with the answers, all the 100 questions from English literature. Check out your question paper. If you're not meeting the expected cutoff, then this is a red sign. This is a danger sign that you have not prepared well. Okay, so accept the reality. Yes, accept the reality. Do not blame anyone else. Blame yourself. Take responsibility. Become accountable for your life every single day. Understand understand your weaknesses, improve those weaknesses. If you are not getting the expected cutoff, for example from general category, if you are not getting 91 questions right, then there is some problem in your command on literature. Teacher cannot help you in that. You have to self analyze yourself, be aware about yourself, and accept the reality whether you can crack this examination. Do you love English literature or not, or you are just here because someone said that you should take English literature because there is less competition? It is no way. You are going to find competition in every phase of your life, but again, you must be very passionate about your profession. You must be passionate about your subject. Doesn't matter from whatever category you belong. Try to get more than 90 questions, because that makes you a self-reliant person. That makes you a student who knows about literature, who has a command on literature. That gives you confidence from inside. Check out these previous year questions compulsory. And of course, if you are preparing for the UGC-NET December attempt, or in any case you want me to guide you on everyday basis, you can also join us on Limitless Literature. So it is going to save a lot of your time, because you do not have to make the notes. We are simply directly going to provide you the complete resource, complete material, complete list of authors, books, everything that you can check out from Limitless Literature website. Okay, so these all are the things I wanted to share. Make sure that you accept the reality. Look at the question paper and find out what's there in the question paper that I was not able to solve, what's there in the subject that I do not like, and what is necessary that I should be doing in the coming 2 months, 3 months, in the 4 months. Okay, so these all are the things that I wanted to share with you in this video. I will see you soon in the next video. That's it for this. Thank you.